Hello, this is Raul Lugo. Thank you for stopping by at LugoCoach.com. Today, I'm gonna show you what is sales coaching. Who is Raul Lugo? What are you going to do next? Because if you are the salesperson, a manager, perhaps the owner of your company, you are in the right place at the right time. It is a time to provide coaching and training for your salespeople. Why? Because it's gonna make a difference in your organization. You will be selling more, making more, and increase your income. First, let's talk about what is sales coaching. It is focusing on helping sales reps, that's what I do, developing their skills, knowledge, and use of strategies that improve sales results. Those who get the sales coaching have better selling skills and strong industry and product knowledge. They also know how to think about sales opportunities strategically to generate higher, more profitable sales. That is sales coaching. That is what I would like to do for your company as a group or individual. It's having somebody that take you by the hand and help you. Why? Because you have some skills inside of you. I'm going to help you develop those skills in the selling area. You might be asking, who is Raul Lugo? Who is this guy? I'm going to tell you. I am a sales coach. I am a facilitator. I have over 20 years of successful sales experience as an account executive with top nationwide companies. I learn, I study, and I have experience with small business clients. And I discovered the reason why some of them succeed and why some didn't. And actually, I apply all the things that I'm sharing with you because sales is number one reason why some companies succeed and others have to close their doors. The more sales you have, the better for your company, the better for your employees, the better for your lifestyle. You need to increase your sales. As a manager, as a salesperson, this is the time to do it. You may say, well, it's tough, it's hard out there. That's why you need coaching, you need training with your sales staff. What will I get out of the seminar or coaching? 3 basic things. You get ideas, strategies, and creativity. When you or your team apply those ideas, strategies, and creativity, you will be selling more. You will increase your income. Here you have the information to call me for a free consultation. Nothing to lose and much to gain. Call me, send me an email. I would like to talk to you with no commitment, free consultation to help you, to help your team sell more in this economy. Now the question is, what to do next? You have 2 options. Number 1, do nothing. Stay where you are right now and let the competition gain market share and perhaps close your business in 6 months, a year, maybe 5 years, who knows when. Or option number 2, call or email me right now. The phone is on the screen and my email is on the screen. Free consultation. I also want to send you a free ebook on a sales cycle. What are you going to do? The time to take action is now. You want to see results, you want to see changes in your organization, in your sales. Take action now. Nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Look at this. What Zig Ziglar said, you will get all you want in life if you help enough people get what they want. I want to help you and you need to help your people too. I strongly suggest give me a call. I want to help you. 30 minutes online through Zoom or face-to-face or over the phone. I'm gonna ask you some questions to see what do you need in your sales team or in yourself. It's gonna be tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching this video. This is Raul Lugo, your sales coach. I'll see you next time. I'm looking forward to talking to you very soon. Thank you. Happy selling.